Look at that. Great job, dude.
Bang.
Now let's bang him. Ready? Here, you hold it. You help me. Ready? Here we go. Ready? Next one. You got help?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, come sit right here. It's gonna be easier. Okay, you hold it. Okay, here we go. Ready?
Good job, buddy.
Yeah. Whoa. Ready? Oh, we gotta finish getting these ones in.
Hey, Dylan, what does a fire truck sound like?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll get more. Guess what we're gonna do next? We're gonna put the lights on the top. You ready? This is where the lights go, right?